Hello, I'm Xantakovsky and today I'm gonna show you how to edit, save and upload your live streams on Twitch. So first of all, you're gonna go to your profile icon and you're gonna click on settings. Then you will go to channel and video. And as you can see, here is a secret key that you have for your channel. And at the third line, there is this which says save old live streams, previous live streams. So you make sure that this is enabled, and it says that it saves your live streams for 14 days and 60 days for your Twitch partners. So once you've done this, you go to your profile icon and you go back to your channel. After, you click again to your profile icon and you choose the second one. It's on Greek, but you can understand because the first one is channel and the second one says video editor. So you click on this and it takes you to this page where you have all your live streams the last 14 days. So let's choose one randomly. Let's take this one. So you're gonna click on this button which says screenshot. And now you start editing this video. So the yellow line is part of your video that you want to upload. Let's say I want to upload the last 3 minutes of this video. I'm gonna take the yellow line right there to, let's say, 15, and that's the part I want to upload. But let's say there is something here that I don't want to be part of it. So we're gonna take the purple line at this part, at the beginning and at the end of the part. We're gonna click on it. Oops, here. And we're gonna click on this, which has scissors for an icon. And we're gonna take now the purple line at the end of the part that I don't want. And we're gonna do the same thing here too. So now we have 3 parts of the clip and we don't want this, so we click on it and we go here and click this button and delete it. So now we have these 2 clips, and that's all. You just cut the scenes that you want to upload and you go up here, you add the title that you want to, and here you choose the game that you're playing. I'm playing this one at this video, and if you're ready, you click here, upload screenshot, and we're going there, upload screenshot. And if you're ready, you're going here and you click upload screenshot. If you want to add a second part of this video, but you don't want to be together with these, you just go here and click new screenshot. So you have a second one and you do the same things, like I want the first 3 minutes, So I'm gonna take it here, right here, and I'm gonna add a title here too, and the game is already there, and now I'm ready to click upload screenshots. So now we're here, and as you can see, we can add description here, the language of our video, the game again, and here you can add a thumbnail too. And this is the URL of your video that you can copy and send to your friends and all your viewers. After that, we click on save and next here. We have to wait a little bit. So now we're ready to go ahead and click save and next, and it will show up the next video that we want to upload, and we do the same things here. Here we can choose where we want to add this video, if we have a file that we want to. Here we can watch it, here we can download it, upload it, and share it with our friends. So after we're ready to go, we click save changes, and our videos are here, and it will stay here for 14 days. And if we go to our channel, we're going to video, and they are right here. So that was the video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials and for more gameplays I'm doing, such as World at War 2. Follow me on Twitch. Real Xantakowski is my name because I'm streaming a lot. I'm trying to fix though the quality of the video of the stream because it's not the best yet. And comment me if you have any questions. So that was a quick tutorial. I hope I help you. Have a nice day.